If you want to activate DNSSEC on Namecheap, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way. DNSSEC is an important security feature that helps protect your domain from certain types of DNS attacks and makes your website setup a little more secure. So if you manage a domain on Namecheap, this is a quick setting worth checking. And before we begin, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more clear software and web tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Namecheap account using your email and password. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the domain list option. This is where all of your registered domains are shown in one place so you can manage them easily. Click on Domain List to continue. Next, find the domain you want to secure with DNSSEC. On the right side of that domain, click the Manage button. This opens the settings page for that specific domain, where you can control different DNS and domain options. After that, click on the Advanced DNS tab. This is the section where Namecheap stores more advanced controls for your domain, including DNS records and security-related settings. Now scroll down carefully until you find the DNSSEC section. Depending on your screen size, you may need to move further down the page, so take your time and look for the DNSSEC label. Once you see it, you'll notice a switch next to it. All you need to do now is toggle the DNSSEC switch on. As soon as you turn it on, Namecheap will begin enabling DNSSEC for your domain. This helps add an extra layer of protection to your DNS configuration and improves trust in how your domain information is resolved across the internet. And that's it. You've now activated DNSSEC on Namecheap. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a real difference in the security of your domain. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and comment below if you want to see more Namecheap or domain management guides.